Hello, everyone. Welcome to Principle 26 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. Here I am, I'm Walt, and I'm talking about all these principles. Part 26 is a pretty interesting one, and this one is to find and look up to your heroes. Now, this one's pretty big because a lot of people naturally think heroes are a problem. It's like, oh, heroes only belong in comic books, or that if we have these heroes, like, that's no biggie. But more and more people are starting to come around to the idea that heroes can be useful, heroes can be motivational. So, with 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself, clearly we're talking about motivation this time. So, when it comes to having a hero, having somebody who motivates you, he says that to just passively adore these people is to insult our own potential and to and kind of insult them as well. Because there's so many people we can try to live up to. We can see the things they did and aspire to be like them, aspire to be better, all that kind of stuff. And really, when we look into our heroes and we look at them, we can really be inspired to grow and change and be more like them. And I think this one's big, that you can also even have fictional heroes, heroes out of books, heroes out of comic books, heroes out of movies or video games that you can truly try to emulate, try to be like, because the psychology of them is not always super complicated. There's a lot you can really learn from everybody, be they, a virtual character or a person in real life. And don't expect your heroes to be perfect. There's some good content out there that really gets at the point of how a lot of heroes are not perfect. They may be, role models in some areas and really people we don't want to think about in other areas. But when we really look up to our heroes and really look into them, we really have this high potential to motivate ourselves. And I say that's the big takeaway here. When you have heroes and you hang their pictures on like your walls and stuff like that, this principle can really help you out. That's about it for part 26. I will see you guys next time with part 27. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.